Estimating potential sales for a store site using the Huff gravity model. The Huff gravity model is used to predict probability that a consumer will shop at a specific store. Two factors are used in the equation. First is store square footage, and the second is travel time to a store. With square footage, it's assumed that customers prefer larger stores because they have more assortment and variety of merchandise. But also important is how far it is to the store. If it's too much of an inconvenience, a consumer isn't going to want to make the trip. So let's look at two examples, Rock Creek and Oak Hammock. Rock Creek has $5 million in annual sales. It's 10 minutes from the existing store, and it's 5 minutes from the new store. Oak Hammock is closer to the existing store, so it's only 5 minutes, but it's 15 minutes to the new store, and it has $3 million in annual sales. So what is the likelihood that someone living in Rock Creek would shop at the new store instead of the existing store? Well, we're measuring against the new store, so we have 10,000 divided by 5 squared, and then we determine all of the items being evaluated, and we add those in, and our calculation is listed here. So the probability is that 89% of the people will shop at the new store. What about someone living in Oak Hammond? Would they want to shop in the new store instead of the existing store? Well, we enter our numbers, we pull them just like we did before, and in this case, only about 18% will probably shop at the new store. Let's say we're looking to put in a new drugstore. Store A is the new location, store B and C are existing locations. So 3,500 divided by 4 squared, and then we enter all of our criteria. So 70% will probably shop at the new store. Given the store size and travel distance, where do you think people will likely shop? Figure the percentage for each store option before moving on. Did you get 19% for Walmart? Fred Meyer 14%, Albertsons 67%. Double check your figures if you have a number different than what is shown here. Given the store sizes here, where do you think people will be likely to shop? I've attached a worksheet for you so that you can complete this assignment, and go ahead and submit your calculations as an attachment. You can leave them in Excel, that's fine.